the Rangila Rasool case. At that time, from the period of 1910 to 1927 was a very unique phase in Punjab, United Punjab at that time, where a lot of polemic writing was done. Arya Samaj was at its peak at that time. Arya Samaj was criticizing Islam left, right and center. Islamists would criticize Hinduism left, right and center. And it's in that scenario where this particular current struggle starts. And irony is, the first time, right, when they filed a case, there was no 295A. So the publisher of Rangila Rasool came out innocent because they're like, law hi nahi hai.
Right.
Then they rioted. And then the British were like, ये तो पागल है. अभी इनको कौन कानून बना दिया 295A. चलो ठीक है, the British did what they did. They left in 1947 for all means and purposes. We had the Constituent Assembly debates. By 50-51 we had our own constitution. We had our own elections and everything. What stopped our politicians to remove it? They gave the same excuses. Law and order. They gave the same excuses. Then, okay, it should have been left there, but it has progressively gotten worse every single decade. It starts with Nehru destroying it with the First Amendment. Look at the irony, the American First Amendment guarantees freedom. Our First Amendment is the complete opposite of it. So Nehru starts it. Then we have progressive laws going on and on and on and on. And we just keep, like, as much as I admire Sardar Patel, but even Sardar Patel, strengthened Section 144. Sardar Patel strengthened it. He gave the same answer. Public order. We don't want to have these.
As well any Home Minister of India.
सब लोग वही करते हैं. Everybody uses. See, there is this litany of laws that we have. It's 295A, 153A, Section 124, the sedition law. Then 144 also gets misused. Then obviously we had provisions in the IT Act are also there. And there are SC/ST Act also has some absolutely draconian provisions. Like, somehow we have convinced ourselves that by scaring people to use casteist slurs, we will somehow get rid of casteism. No, we're just suppressing it. The casteism is right there. It is not coming out. But on the internet, it comes out in the form of anonymity, and we don't need to tell how it is coming out or not. SC/ST Act is there, na? How many casteist slurs are there on the internet?
Correct. You can't prosecute all of them.
You can't. It's impossible.